girl, though. Yeah. That's the career, though. Yeah, man, me have a baby out, though. San Antonio. How are you going now? Yeah.
Brown.
T
Brown and Sheek.
Yeah.
Brown and white affair.
In a few hours. You know what I mean?
Pick up yourself, Trisha.
Yeah, man, go and pick up yourself. You hear that?
On the way to support your queen. I got mine.
Go up a road that takes time, though. Yeah. Though. Long time no see this. That's why I go man with the boat saving, man. I do some other things and some other things. Though. Just stay with us. Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember, you know, like, share and subscribe, you know.
Yeah. Drop a comment.
And drop comment.
We don't want to feel about the video them.
Yeah. For real, for real. You know what I
If
mean?
you don't want with a certain video, drop a comment because we know. Yeah.
Yeah. You don't know further on up, so I just make you know what I'm going, you know. Because remember, baby does all. I got laugh and chat, you know, don't baby?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's what we do.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day. Every day. Yeah, man, so I don't know the thing set, you know. Yeah. Rich, I know. How would I know? Yeah. No. And before after this.
I wonder what
This is a Rash Nique. So later now you don't know. Yeah. A soup in my drink? Soup in there. Alright. Yeah man, how would it? Ray, you know? Yeah man, Ray,
Yeah,
man.
I don't know a thing about it.
Ray out.
Good. Alright.
Yeah, so guess what now? Reach nice San Antonio, you know. Hello? Yeah man, we out. You see me? Yeah man.
RASHKAMAR, you know, my video man in a place.
Yeah man.
You know, so I touch at July 22nd. The whole city white.
I know next
right,
month,
so.
everything white.
My blood, the whole city white. Look at rain and white.
We see him already,
City
man.
white. Full
Yeah, go on.
Big up Trisha, you don't know. I shut down the place later, you know it already. You don't know. I see the queen of the night, yeah? Right, yes, sir.
Now watch me people, me look rough, watch me.
Now watch your queen now.
Watch me
Wait
roll
till
in
later.
tonight. You know, see the Benz? See the BMW? I saw me a company.
Alright.
Just like ice. What's this? See this? Just like this, me a company, right? That's all. You just bring our battery rider. You know they put it in stock. I know they got the battery rider.
Yes, I don't know the thing set in the fair thing. We link up back later, don't know, you know. We back, I would have back, man. I'm a friend. See? Yeah, man. She ready.
Ready to have a blue and white, stop playing.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got my blue and white Trisha, ready? Blue and white.
Alright. You don't know the things that I say. Don't watch it, the surrounding. Hotel with there, one night.
Don't watch it nice, watch it still.
Yeah, understand me? I say, yeah. Yeah, man, so me out though. Yeah, man, I don't know the thing set. So I reach around, so I show this for me there. Oh, I don't matter if I couldn't rush for me there. Because I did that today, though.
You have a car key?
Yes, it I remember I put on this pan, you know, because the last time
You have
I
the
left.
door key?
I want to, yes.
I want to.
So, when I don't know the thing set, you know. Me and Nique out. Yeah.
Grown and
Tonight,
Sheek.
Grown and Sheek.
We on the way.
Yeah. The Brown promotion, big up yourself. Yeah. Alright then. Look more. We link up again though. Alright then. Come here, got hurt now. Yeah. I don't know the things there. There's some reach around there. I make you know what I'm going though. Yeah man, I reach I know. They don't know our work time though. Yeah. That's our thing look. Like earlier though. Yeah, but hear me I say, if you don't want the full video for the dance hall, yeah, tonight, Brown and Sheek, you have to go RASHKAMAR Entertainment. And you don't know me have it before or after dance hall, though. Yeah, you have to go RASHKAMAR Entertainment vlog to catch a piece set too. So you don't know the thing set. You don't know. Yeah, work time. Love you know. Morning people, you don't know, you know. At the Sunday morning is this though. We're out. I'm going back home. Yeah. Done a work last night. I don't know. Your boy and your girl going home.
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 Tired is the people? tired is the understatement. Right now.
You don't know. Tell us I'm a roadie, you know, right? So anytime, anywhere. So she got tired. I mean, she put in the driving door.
I'm never getting a nap.
And she never get no fully nap.
I didn't get a nap at all.
When?
Last night, yesterday when we reached.
Oh, when we reached. Okay. Okay, yeah.
I want somebody to do my ear and...
Yeah, so you go. And then me just sleep before me do my ear and yeah.
You know, some nugget butter with it. Ugh. Stomach feel kind of queasy.
What a nice. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, look better now, don't?
Yeah, I was gonna tell you to do it.
True. The lotion and this now, let's grab you up, you know. Yeah, man, but party nice last night, you know what I mean? Trisha's birthday party, you know? Nice,
Trisha,
man.
big up your damn self, mom. I'm gonna say a party is nice.
Alright, you see that? Just like that.
Tell her.
Yeah, man, you have to put out the good energy.
You have to put it out, speak positive things and it will come.
And it will come, yeah.
I'm telling her, mom, now yourself, your party got shot, your party got nice. Because I'm telling her, I said nothing good not come easy, you know?
Yeah, real talk. Nothing at all.
But good, it don't come easy. Come never come easy.
From the good, it now come easy. Because she never come easy.
Never come easy.
Because when she look me, you don't know the thing said, yeah. But anyway, nobody watch it.
Don't bother with that.
Hey, me know the internet, you know. But you know, at the shirt, at the clothes that me wear come up yesterday. Me I wear go back.
When I went to San Antonio Street, oh, I thought it was 2.
So, don't bother ramp with me. Yeah, I say go. Me now go out and and you don't know. Me always smell good and them wear there.
But we just beard.
So, I don't know if I wear the clothes. Just long I carry it and come up and then come up, change it and go dance.
I know beard don't worry.
You understand me I say? But we don't know.
You know I got dance again.
We say how much beard I will be about 5 times if with the yesterday and now though.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Beard when I left for you, beard when we reach, beard where we go.
Alright.
Beard when we get up this morning.
We just done beard. Feel fresher now, you know what I mean?
Feels so clean. I made it up for beard because you
need a little wake up. Oh, there's something you're gonna make nice now, baby, though.
Yeah. Yep. Let's get it together. Ooh, I feel like I will stop right here at McDonald's.
One, if you feel like.
It's like a little something for carrying me up.
Yeah, man, so we'll go up on the road. Down for some more. Yeah.
We'll link in the back. Right?
Link in the back, alright? Yeah. Reach back home now. How is this? The driver there.
Tired fool.
Driver not easy though.
Well, guess what? It is all worth it. Me being tired, my feet are swollen. Come, show them. Foot them swell up on me, people.
You don't understand, she not care.
But guess what?
She swell up, she never walk.
It was all worth it. Grown on Sheek, sell off.
Yeah.
Me make my foot, I'll do it all over again. Swell foot, tiredness, everything again. Trisha, big up yourself, your party shot.
Yeah, man, so I don't know the thing set, you know. It's a small vlog this, but if you're gonna something for go and watch, though, go and big up on yourself. Remember, like, share and subscribe. You don't know the thing, yeah.